Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Sephora Times Coach collection. So if you would like to see how everything applied, what I got from the collection, please keep on watching. Let's just get into the brushes first. But like when I get things, guys, I always wait till I come to you beautiful ladies to share it with you. So I like opening it and having the experience with you ladies as to how they are, how they look, and out of the boxes. This is how these are looking. You get 5 rings in here, and you get the brush set with 5 brushes plus the holder. Guys, when I saw this, I was blown away with how pretty this is. You see it says Coach here, and it says Sephora at the bottom. The brushes are so pretty. The brushes all have the Coach label on them. Oh my God, this is so pretty. And in this, you get a foundation brush, you get a bronzing brush, you got a blush brush, and you have 2 small brushes. I personally would use these 2 small brushes for eyeshadow. And I'm in the process of putting my beauty room together, so this is just so perfect. Like, this is how the holder is looking, like so pretty. This is how the brushes is looking, guys. This is so pretty, so pretty. Like, any makeup room, any dresser, your vanity, like this is gonna look so pretty on it. And I'm not sponsored, they didn't send me this one for free, but this is like really, really pretty. Let me just show you. The brushes are beautiful. You see it has the Coach label on it, and they all do. It is so pretty. Like, oh my God, this is the back of it, and this is the front, and it's holes in the holder, and you stick the brushes in here. But this is so perfect. I can't stress how pretty it is enough. Like, this is really, really beautiful. The brushes also came with the rings. Like, these rings are so pretty. Let me just put them on my finger, because you can use it for the brush set, or you can use these rings for yourself. Like, these are so pretty. Let me just try and put it all on my finger to show you how pretty they are. But they're really huge rings. So perfect. I'm so excited to be here today, guys. And happy Women's Month to all women. And these are the rings. They're so pretty. Like, so pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty these rings are, and they're huge. I feel like these rings are really, really lovely. Like, you can squeeze them and make them smaller because they're not fully closed. You see it's a space there where you can squeeze it and make it smaller if you wanted to. That's how all of these rings are, and I can't stress how pretty this brush set is. So I'm just gonna move along because I'm gonna sit here all day and talk about how pretty this brush set is. And the bristles are super soft. It's nothing that's coming out of these bristles. Like, they're really, really lovely, guys. Get it, because they are a limited edition, so when they're gone, they're gone. Like, these rings are so pretty. Like, these rings alone is worth the purchase. The brushes alone is worth the purchase. Moving on along, I'm gonna get into the Uni Face Palette. This is how the outside is looking. It comes with a keychain and a hook. The keychain, it has the Coach label on it. This is really, really pretty. In this face palette, you get the rose, the clay, and the bronze. I'm gonna use the clay for bronzing. I did my makeup off camera. I didn't do my bronzing yet, and you see how that clay shows up really, really nice. I'm gonna dig into the rose, the blush. And just, ooh, that is nice. Trying to go very light and just blend this one out, and it's just blending really seamless and effortlessly. Lately I've been really loving Sephora makeup. I feel like their products are so lovely, so reasonably priced, and this one is just beautiful. The blush and the bronzer are really pretty. Such a pretty color. Let me just swatch. This is the blush. This is the clay. The clay is really nice. I like the clay as a bronzer. That is really nice. And the one that they say as bronze next to the clay, so you guys can see, this is supposed to be the bronze. That one is really glowy. And these are so soft. Like, you lightly touch it and the powder lifts up. Like, just be really gentle with this one. It just applies better as a highlighter. This one that they say is bronze. This is a perfect highlighter. Wow. And the thing about this, like, you can turn the entire palette around. You can twist this around. It can go just about any different direction. Like, really nice. Really nice. I love this palette. You see how everything applied really beautiful with this one. The bronzer, the blush, and the one that they call a bronze. I feel like that's perfect for highlighting. It's really a pretty one. I only purchased these 3 pieces from the collection. There were 2 eyeshadow palettes which I didn't purchase from this collection because they have talc in them. There were also a nail polish kit with 2 different nail polish, which I didn't care for. Moving on along, I have the Tea Rose lip set, and this comes with 4 different shades of lip glosses. I'm gonna swatch them all and I'm gonna try them all on for you guys as well. Start with this one first. It has this really comfortable minty feel to the lips, which I really love. all of these lip glosses applied really, really lovely as well. Like I said, they all have a minty feel to them, which I love a lot. It makes it super comfortable because I have dried lips and I know most things that I put on, it irritates the lip or it feels very uncomfortable. So I love lip products that do have that cooling feel to it. I love the packaging. I would give the packaging by itself, before I even try it, I'd give these a perfect 10. All of the shades is really, really nice. There's something in here for everyone to love. Me personally, I love all of the shades. I am not going to be choosy between these at all. As far as the face palette, I give this a perfect 10 as well. This packaging is super cute. It comes with the keychain on the side with the Coach logo on it. And like I showed you guys, you can move the mirror straight around in a 360 angle in here, as it's really, really flexible. It comes with the mirror. You get a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter in here. It applied really, really lovely. When I use the bronzing shade as a highlighter, you see how dominant this is. It's just like, whoa, a blinding glow, and that's really, really lovely. The blush also applied super, super pretty. I feel like these would be good for any skin tone. I don't feel like it's gonna look powdery or chalky or anything. These are super buildable. However, with these powders, they are really soft. Like when I dip into them with my brush, instantly you see powder. They're easy to apply. It wasn't hard. I didn't have to keep going back and forth at all with these to get a seamless payoff. So this is really, really lovely. And last but not least, this is so beautiful. The brush set is really, really lovely. Like I showed you at the beginning, it comes with the holder. You get these 5 super usable brushes in here. However, I don't feel I'm gonna even touch this one to use it. I'm gonna put this on my vanity, or I'm gonna put this somewhere in my makeup room just to sit and look pretty. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a must-have collector's brush set. And like I mentioned, it comes with the 5 rings as well, which the rings are super usable as well. This brush set is well worth the purchase, as I paid $68 for the entire set, and it comes with the brush holder and the ring. So I feel like this is an absolutely amazing purchase. I feel like this one is an actual steal. The face palette I paid $38 for, and the lip gloss kit I also paid $38 for. And I purchased them all from Sephora, and like I mentioned at the beginning, Sephora teamed up with Coach for this special limited edition exclusive. I just really love coming here and sharing my purchases with you all, and I hope that it was helpful to at least someone. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.